Hello students, welcome back to our channel Nagesh Garazgi Orchid School. I am Sridevi Kanke. I am going to teach you SST subject for grade 4. So in the previous lesson, we have studied that lesson number 7, the coastal plains and islands. Yes, very good. So today we will do a quick recap what we have studied in that session. Okay, now what we have studied, students? Yes, we have studied about the islands, correct. Okay, next we will do a revision that there are two group of islands are there. Already we have discussed. Yes, what are they? They are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. So we have discussed that we have a two type of islands are there. They are Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Okay. Now what we have studied in this lesson? So we have studied. So this is our Andaman and Nicobar Islands, correct? Yes. How many islands are there? Already we have told in that Lakshadweep Islands, that how many group of islands are there? 300 islands are there, correct? And these are the northern islands known as Andaman Islands, and southern islands are called as Nicobar Islands, correct? So southern islands known as, that is a union territory of India. That is the southernmost part of the islands is called Indira Point. It is also known as the southernmost part of the India. So what we have studied that Lakshadweep Islands, how many are there? 30 islands are there, whereas Andaman and Nicobar Islands we have about 300 islands, correct? So Lakshadweep Islands, so how many are there? About 30 islands, and which are inhabited. They are very close to which coast? They are very close to the Malabar coast. So these are the two, where this is our India map, this is our Malabar coast, when we having here Lakshadweep Islands, correct? So these are the small islands. How many group of islands are there altogether? 30. So what else we have studied that? It is made up of coral islands, yes, isn't it? And what? It is a deposit of all skeletons, the dead animals or that all group of skeletons of an animal is called coral. So such islands are called as coral islands. So this is an image of that corals, correct? Yes. And then now what else we have studied in that? Life in the western coastal plain. Okay, what we have studied in that western life? Yes, can you all tell me, children? Yes, in the state like Gujarat. So what we have studied in that? Gujarat lies which part? That is north to west. And what is the capital of Gujarat? Yes, Gandhinagar. And what is the main occupation of those people? Trading and farming. Okay, are the main occupations of the Gujarat people. And what else they grow? They grow is the jowar and bajra are the main cereal crops. And what else apart from that? We having a sugarcane, cotton, groundnut and tobacco, correct? And what is several well-developed industries are there? What are there? So can you see this image and tell me which is this? Can you see? Yes, that is ragi. Okay, and what is this? Jowar. Okay, bajra. Okay, sorry, this is, I have said that this is bajra and this is jowar. Okay, and what it is? Can you all tell me? Yes, it is sugar cane. And what it is? Can you see and tell me? Yes, that is correct. Cotton. And what it is? Tobacco. Correct. What is tobacco? Tobacco plant look like this, and from that it will be crushed and made. And what they are used? They are used in this, in like cigarette, all such type of things they are using tobacco. Correct. This is a tobacco. And what else? This is a groundnut, where mothers will use in cooking now. Yes, this is ground, and we oftenly eat like that also. It is known for its textiles. What else? Gujarat, it is known else as textile industries, petroleum, fertilizers, salt and diamond cutting industry. And now tell me all this. Textiles. Okay, now khadi and handloom industry is also well developed. Dairy farming is also an important industry of Gujarat. Okay, let us see this. And can you see this? Yes, it is a khadi material. And when you see this and tell me, that is oil refinery, correct? What it is? Diamond cutting, where the diamonds are brought here and they will do a cutting. So this is diamond cutting is going on. Now fertilizer. Okay, in like farming, to grow the farming crops so nicely, what they will do? They will throw or they will spread that fertilizers they will use, not to eat all insects and pesticides, correct? And what else they will do here? Salt. Okay, where we get the salt? We get from the salt from the sea, correct? The sea water will be salty, isn't it? Yes. Can we drink the sea water? No, because the sea water contains salt. So we will get the salt from sea. See, this is the salt where it is. We can see from here. So what the famous Amul milk products? Yes, we all eat, no? Amul curd, Amul cheese, Amul butter, delicious, correct? So all this Gujarat main, it comes from the Anand. The Amul milk products are there, the mainland. I will show you that. So this is made dairy products. Okay, where is dairy means the buffaloes, cows, they will be here, and then this is the plant where milk production will be going. Okay, and this is the milk products what we have daily in our life, correct? So milk, so many variety of milk products are there, not only baby food also there. Okay, milk. And the main traditionally, and then what language they speak? Gujarati. The main language they spoke state is Gujarati language. And what the traditional dress? Women's wear saris and lehengas. So this is a traditional dress of a man, where we having here, already I have told you in the last episode that men's wear a short jacket and a churidar. This is called angarakas, correct? And whereas ladies or women's wear churidars and lehengas and saris. So what else we having here? Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram lies in this state, in Gujarat. Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram is also lies, where it is in a Gujarat. So let us see that. So can you see here? This is a Gandhiji's ashram. It is known as Sabarmati Ashram. So this is, both are the same. So churidars, they having a, Ahmedabad is also the biggest, largest city of Gujarat. And then what having, apart from that Gandhiji Sabarmati Ashram, we having a Gir forest, okay, and then which is home of the Asiatic lion, whereas it is a home for lions. It is known an important tourist attraction here in Gujarat, in Gir forest, where we having a tourist attraction place, where it is the Asiatic lion to see from various parts of the states or countries. They will come to, this is a very attraction for a tourist to see this. So let us see that. So can you see this, or lions? Yes, it is a home, it is a shelter for lions, Asiatic lions. So now come to the point of Maharashtra. Okay, now already we have discussed in the last chapter what is the traditional dress of Maharashtra and what is the festivals they are celebrating. Yes, isn't it? Yes, we all remembered. Yes, of course. Now we will see the Konkan coast runs through Maharashtra. Yes, where is Maharashtra place? West side. What we having coast? Yes, we having a Konkan coast. Okay, and where it is? It lies on the Maharashtra, lies to that, and its capital is Mumbai. Now this is west side where we having a Maharashtra. This is apart from all here the Konkan coast, where it lies Yes, Maharashtra side, correct. It is the biggest seaport in India. The seabed of the Konkan coast has large deposit of petroleum. Where Konkan coast is there, so where do we get petroleum? Where do we get petrol to run our vehicles? Motorcycle, car, all different type of vehicles we are running. So how it will run? Through petrol. That petrol, where do we get that petrol? We'll get that petroleum from the underwater. Correct? That water where we having Konkan coast, we having a large deposit, it is there, petroleum. So this region is also called as a Bombay High. Now, what we have else studied about the Maharashtra? We have already studied that what is the traditional dresses. Yes, isn't it correct? And what we also have studied, we have discussed about the festivals. Okay, can you all tell me one of the festival the Maharashtra celebrate? Yes, that is Ganesh Chaturthi. Correct. What is the traditional dress? Yes, can you all tell me? Yes, that is a dhoti. Yes, and a topi. Which topi we call? Yes, that is Gandhi topi, and a shirt, that is a traditional dress for men. And can you tell me traditional dress for women in Maharashtra? Yes, that is correct. What you are telling, that is Nawari sari. That is a traditional dress, a type of sari they can wear, that is Nawari sari. And what else we have discussed in Maharashtra? Yes, can you all tell me? Yes, can you all remember that one type of traditional dance in Maharashtra? What do we call that? That is called as a tamasha, correct? Yes. So we have completed our the Maharashtra part. So we will come to the Goa. Now what is Goa? When we say Goa, what you will think that Goa will be having? Yes, beautiful beaches, correct. And what else? We'll see to it. To the south of Maharashtra is the small and beautiful state of Goa. In Maharashtra, when we come to the Maharashtra, we having a small state, what we call, that is Goa. It is very beautiful. Do you all like it? Yes. So what is the capital of Goa? That is Panji. P-A-N-A-J-I. That is Panji. Now Goa is rich in what? It is rich in iron ore. Now can you all tell me once again, what is the capital of Goa? Panji. Maharashtra capital? Mumbai. Very good. You all keep remember. Now what is mining also very important industry in Goa state, and what festival they celebrate? Yes, you all know it, that is Christmas. Yes, Christmas is the main festival in this state. They celebrate is the main festival is the Christmas. And what is tourists come to the place to visit Goa in large number every year. They go to that are Goa. What to see? To see the beautiful beaches and churches. Old churches are there in that Goa. So tourist people every year they used to go. Now also they will go. Okay. So what is this? What to see there? Basilica of Bom Jesus in Panji is one of the oldest churches in India. So what to see in Goa? So Goa we having a Basilica of Bom Jesus. We having a one of the oldest church. In where it is? It is in Panji. Okay. Now what it contains? What is there in that church? We having it contains the body of Saint Francis Xavier. Okay, this pronunciation is Saint Francis Xavier. Its body is there in that church. Now this is you all know it. Before telling all, you can tell me this is a Christmas. Yes, they will do a celebration over here. Or this is a image of Basilica of Bom Jesus. Okay, this is a church where we having a body of Saint Yes, Saint Francis Xavier, correct. So now come to the point of Goa. Goa we have finished, no, so we'll go for a Karnataka. What is there in Karnataka? Yes, Karnataka, south from Goa. So first we have completed our Maharashtra, Goa. Now we are coming to the Karnataka point. South from Goa, along the coast, we come to Karnataka, correct. So what else? It is a Mangalore is an important seaport. Mangalore is an important seaport. So already we have studied in that Karnataka. In the previous lesson we have studied that Karnataka, and now we will go through next Kerala. Okay, now what is Kerala? We having a Kerala that in the extreme south of the western coastal plains lies the beautiful state of Kerala. So as we come from the Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, we'll go for a Kerala. So from the south to that western coastal plain, we having it a state, a beautiful state lies. What it is? That is a Kerala. Now Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, this is a Thiruvananthapuram. Earlier it is known as Trivandrum. Okay, it is previously named as Trivandrum. Now it is known as Thiruvananthapuram. It is the capital of Kerala. Okay, now children, see here, Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, when we see Kerala, so what do you remember? When we see a Kerala word, what do you remember? Okay, what do you strike in your mind? Yes, it is having a coconut, is very speciality over there. So Kochi is an important seaport of Kerala, whereas Kochi is an important seaport. Okay, when we have studied in the last, we have a coast, Konkan coast, Kochi coast, Malabar coast, isn't it? Yes. So Kerala we having a Kochi coast. So what we having here? Seaport. Now Kerala produces large quantity of spices. It is lies near the sea, correct? So what they produce? They produce spices, coconut, cashew nut, coffee and rubber. Okay, once again I will tell you all, Kerala produces large quantities of spices, coconut, cashew nut, coffee and rubber. So I will explain first what is spices. Spices what your mother prepare at home in making curries. Okay, that spices. And coconut, you all know that coconut, cashew, you all eat that. Yes, in desert also we prepare cashew nuts. Coffee powder, coffee you will drink, correct, and rubber. So let us see that. So this is the spices. What type of spices we have in the? These all called as spices, correct? Cardamom, this is red chili powder. These all different type of is there. So this all under comes the spices. They are produced in Kerala. And what is this? Can you see? Tell me. Yes, obviously it is coconut, correct? It is a land of coconuts. Now cashew nuts, you all eat now? Yes, these are all cashew nuts. Now what it is? This is a coffee plant where we having these berries. After that drying it, we will get these coffee beans. From that what we will make it? We'll drink a coffee. Yes, isn't it? Yes. So this is a coffee plant and it is a powder. So now rubber, what you are doing? Yes, when you are got a wrong in writing book, you used to erase that. No, what do you use? That rubber. What do we get? This is a rubber plant or a rubber tree. Where we can see this? Yes, this is white color. This is only the rubber where we get. So it is a rubber tree where we get, see, a drop, it's sinking in up a small utensils, correct? It's a board. It is collecting all rubber. So we have seen now spices, we have seen coconut, we have seen cashew nuts, coffee and rubber, correct? Now it is clear to you all students? Yes. Now we will go for next part, that is entire population knows how to write and read. That Kerala entire population, entire people knows how to read and write. Everybody knows. There is no illiterate people, all literate. Okay, the main language is Malayalam. Where the Kerala people, the main language is Malayalam. So now come to the point of traditional dress of Kerala. So what the men they wear? The men wear lungi. It is called as mundu. Okay, the traditional dress, it is they wear lungi, but they are called as mundu and shirt. The women wear mundu and blouse or saris. So let us see that. And which the festival, that is I am going to tell you that. So this is a traditional dress of Kerala where it has lungi known as mundu and the shirt. It is men. And ladies, whereas women they wear as mundu and a blouse, or it is traditional dress of ladies or women and a saris. And what type of traditional festival they celebrate? They celebrate Onam festival. Yes, do you all know Onam festival? Yes, Onam and Vishu are the important festivals of Kerala. So let us see how they Onam celebrate now. So Onam festival, the festival of Onam, it is celebrated with the flowers. Different type of flowers they decorate. They decorate in their houses, so with a colorful decoration. So can you all see in this picture? Yes, this is the Onam festival celebrated in Kerala. So both. Now come to the point of festival of Vishu. Now what is Vishu? Vishu is a god as Krishna. They pray to the god. This is a festival of Vishu in Kerala. Now what else they do? The boat race. Yes, whenever I say Kerala, what do? They having a boat race. Yes, boat race in which a long boat, not a small boat, a long boat. It is like a look like snake boats take part are held in Onam. During Onam festival they have one boat race. How they do? In that one boat, it look like a snake. Hundreds of people sit in that. They put a race. How we having a running race, hopping race, jumping race? Yes, we have a type of race like that. In Onam festival, they have a boat race. Okay, so people they will doing a race in that. That race are great attraction. So to see this race, the tourist people they come to see these races. So now what is the traditional dance? Now we have seen about the festival, we have seen the dress. Yes, now come to the point of traditional dance. Now what is the dance? Kathakali. So we'll see that. Now can you see this? See a number of people are sitting there, and can you see this how it is looking? It is looking like a long and a head like this. It is looking like a snake. Correct. So it is a snake boat, and there as people are sitting here, so many people are sitting here, and then they are racing. See who will come first, who will come second. They have no prizes. So they having this festival are held in Onam. Onam festival they having this boat race. So this is one of the tourist attraction. Now Kathakali, traditional dance Kathakali. Yes, you all seen on television. So this is a Kathakali dance. Now what else we having here? Kerala has a number of beautiful beaches. You already have told you all. Then one of these is Kovalam beach. Now lagoons or backwaters of Kerala. Now this is lagoon, where lagoon is a salt marshy water where we use this to export or import goods to one place to another place. These lagoons are used. Okay, now what we having else in that? We having a wildlife sanctuary. We have already studied this point. Wildlife sanctuary at Periyar, the famous temples. So this is a Kovalam beach. So these are the lagoons. It is used to sit. This is a very nice beautiful place, or it is called as backwater. Now this is a wildlife sanctuary at Periyar. So it is a elephant's house or a sanctuary where animals can live happily there. It is Periyar. Now come to the point of Lakshadweep Islands. So where we have already studied that Lakshadweep Islands, so these about 30 islands are there. So what it is? Can you all tell me? Yes, this is a Lakshadweep Islands, where you can see here all around water, correct? Now what is the capital? The capital of this union territory is Kavaratti. The most people speak Malayalam. The people use coconut fiber to make a variety of products. Now from where we do all this, we will get our coconut fibers. Now these people having a number of coconut trees, they will produce coconut, correct? So what they do, what is the main occupation? Whereas the coconut, they do a variety of things. Can you all believe it? Yes, you see this when you get coconut, from outer part how it is, it look like this. Then after that, they'll make a coir from that. So what they do? Yes, they make a number of things like coconut shell. After that coconut, when we break, we drink water, correct? Then after that outer part, what do you do? We'll throw it. But they do such things. See all, can you see these utensils? They are made from the coconut outer part, the very hard part. Okay, the hard part they make cups. See this all spoons or spatulas, they made all different type of things. It is all made from the coconut shells. So from coir, where we get that it is made that pots are made from that fiber. Now it is a major industry. What they can do? They will living nearby water, isn't it? What is the main occupation? Fishing. Fishing is the main occupation. And what else? Tourism. They show all the places, they tourist. So it is important industries over there. And what we having? Beautiful islands and beaches attract many tourists. Now this is where we can see a number of fishers on a boat where they are doing fishing. This is the main occupation of the people. Now we have studied about the life in the western coastal plains. So the next episode we are going to cover this life in the eastern coastal plains. Now let us see here. Now I have completed that life in the western coastal plains. Now what you need to do is you need to read lesson properly, thoroughly 2 to 3 times. So you need to all see that different states we having different traditional dresses, we having traditional festivals, we having what is the speciality of that state. You have to need to understand these things. Okay, don't get confusion. So clear it and do the exercise and underline the hard words or difficult words, write in the rough book. Okay, don't mix this Maharashtra, this is Kerala, Karnataka, don't mix it. It is all, you will keep it different. Okay, different styles, different traditional dress of food, festivals, everything we having a different. So we though it is known as India is in diversity, correct? We having all different things, but we are all Indians, we are all living together. Okay, now thank you, have a nice day.